Toi Tāmanuhiri is a living exhibition at the museum, at the marae, and at Verve Cafe.
And this exhibition here, this is part 2, and what this is really, because of the venue, we're kindly offered the venue, it's really the artworks that would be suitable for this environment. And having said that, we've got a whole lot of other artworks which weren't suited for this environment, but they'll be perfect for the marae.
Verve is owned by Ray Tutenberg, good friend of ours, whose grandparents lived and broke in the highlands up there at Wharerata. So we have used the Verve space to create a platform for young emerging artists, an opportunity for them to exhibit, but also to sell their works, especially over the Christmas holiday break when a lot of people will be coming into town. So it's been great to for them to use this as an opportunity to showcase themselves to many others in a very noa ngāwari space.
Everybody knows what I do as a power meter reader, and I cover every road in our rohe, and these are the ones that were familiar to me when I was growing up back in Waiata, and I was born in Waipiro Bay, and so these are familiar places to me. And as I've gone on, there's another few more pieces that come out that are, as I'm coming back home as well, that's coming into that as well. So for me, this is familiar. So that's it. This is my familiar place. I don't know how to explain it all that other than I'm tight as a duck's ass, and I hate throwing stuff away. So everything is actually from my house and from other people's homes, and it's not something. I keep it, and it's from here. Everything's from here. So thank you.
I put 10 brushes in there to symbolise 10. And 10 brushes working together are better than one brush left on its own. And it's just a kōrero about whānau unity. And it's for sale.
I guess I base mine, I'm based down in Christchurch at the moment, doing moku down here. And it's been, I guess I've really just only started to scratch the surface of my involvement with moku. So I guess it's talking about my relationship into the art form, as well as linking Taonga back to Motu with those the kind of moku type designs on there which are found in caves in Samoa.